In this video, I will show you how to make a white border on a picture in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and load up a new template. It doesn't really matter what one you use. In this example, I'm just going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So before I do anything, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add a background just so you can see the white border better. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a blue background to my design. So as you can see, I've added this background. What I'm now going to do is drag a picture in that I want to make a white border around. So what I'm going to do is just take this picture down here, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove this background, just like so. So now we've got our picture ready to go where we're going to make a white border. Now to go ahead and make a white border around this image, what you're going to want to do is click onto the picture, come up to the top, and you're going to see this toolbar. What you want to do is click onto the edit button up here. And what that's going to do is bring up some options on the left hand side. Now in the options that come up, you want to come to the effects section and click onto shadows. And from the shadow section, what you want to do, you're going to see an option for outline. So you want to give that a click. As you can see, we've now got this black outline. Now to change this and make it into a white border, all you need to do is come down. You're going to see some options underneath. You can see we got one for color. So what we're going to do is click onto the black dot and drag the slider on this color wheel up to the top left hand corner to change this to a white border. Now what you can do is change the size of this border. As you can see, we got a slider here to change the size of the border, so we can make it as thin or as big as we want. And once we've done that, we can also change the intensity. So what this does is it makes it more transparent or more solid, depending on what you want for your particular project. So that is how to make a white border on a picture in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.